First, you remove the cap. Now you have a valve in here. You need to change the O-rings in this. You got a snap ring here you need to take out. You'll need snap ring pliers. You can pull this part out. Take that off. Pull this off. Change those O-rings. Clean everything up. Put some oil on it. Put it back together. You have O-rings in here. You have to change your cylinder. O-rings here. O-rings on your driver. If you buy the kit with the cylinder sealed, change that. Then you have this part. Change O-ring here. Putting this thing back together, this ring has a gap in it. And you have little lugs in here. Do not put the gap over top of the lug. Put it in between the lugs. And just put it back together, and you're done. Get everything back together, clean your gun up good. You'll be good to go.